Here we've got Samsung Galaxy A12s, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on this phone. So first of all, you need to reach settings, then find and select accounts and backup, and here click on manage accounts at the top of the list. And as you can see, I do have my account added to Google, like to this device, my Google account added to this Samsung. So to remove this account, mark it and select remove account. And then confirm that you would like to get rid of this account and delete all its data by tapping on remove account. Tap on OK then. Now you can use fingerprint or your pattern, it's up to you. And that's it. As you can see, it is no longer connected with this phone. And then whenever you would like to add another Google account, or maybe you would like to add it for the first time, just click on manage accounts and click on add account. Now pick Google. And at first provide your email address or phone number. And tap on next. Then it's time to enter the password, so just let me do it off the screen. Here it is. And tap on next then. And here we can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the above, just click on I agree. Tap on accept then. And that's it. As you can see, this account has been added. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.